why are people not really talking about this? Then before you continue watching, you want to click the most important. Like Gottfried, a German mathematician and a philosopher, independently developed the calculus, which led to a small conflict between him and Isaac Newton on who is truly expected to be the inventor of calculus. Gottfried refined the binary number system, which led to the foundation of nearly all digital computers, and also led him to earn the name of the founder of computer science. Pierre de Fermat and Basil Pascal set groundwork on probability theories.